What steps should I take if my HP printer is leaving blank spaces on my pages?
Hey there! Welcome to today's video, where we'll be discussing what steps you can take if your HP printer is leaving blank spaces on your pages. Printing issues can be frustrating, but don't worry, we're here to help you resolve this problem. So let's get started.
Check the ink levels.
The first step to address the issue of blank spaces is to check the ink levels in your HP printer. Low or empty ink cartridges can often cause printing problems. To check the ink levels, follow these steps. 1. Open the HP printer software on your computer. 2. Look for an option or tab related to ink or cartridge information. 3. Locate the ink levels and ensure that they are not critically low or empty. If the ink levels are low or empty, replace the ink cartridges with new ones. Make sure to use genuine HP ink cartridges for the best performance.
Clean the printheads.
Another common cause of blank spaces on printed pages is clogged or dirty printheads. Over time, ink residue can accumulate and block the nozzles, resulting in inconsistent or missing prints. Here's how you can clean the printheads. 1. On your HP printer, navigate to the Maintenance or Settings menu. 2. Look for an option related to printhead cleaning or maintenance. 3. Follow the on-screen instructions to initiate the printhead cleaning process. Once the cleaning process is complete, try printing a test page to see if the issue persists. If necessary, you may need to run the cleaning process multiple times.
Adjust paper and print settings.
Sometimes, incorrect paper or print settings can cause blank spaces on your printed pages. Let's make sure your settings are correct. 1. Check the paper type and size settings on both your printer and computer. Ensure they match the paper you're using. 2. Verify that the print quality settings are appropriately configured. If the setting is too low, it may result in incomplete prints. 3. If you're experiencing the issue while printing from a specific application, try printing from a different program or file to see if the problem persists. By adjusting these settings, you can eliminate potential issues related to paper and print settings.
Update printer firmware and drivers.
Outdated printer firmware or drivers can occasionally cause printing problems. It's essential to keep your HP printer up to date. Here's how you can update the firmware and drivers. 1. Visit the official HP support website. 2. Enter your printer model and locate the firmware and driver downloads section. 3. Download the latest firmware and drivers specific to your printer model. 4. Follow the provided instructions to install the updates on your printer. Updating the firmware and drivers can often resolve compatibility issues and improve the overall performance of your printer.
Contact HP support.
If you've tried all the previous steps and the problem persists, it's advisable to contact HP support for further assistance. They have specialized technicians who can provide personalized guidance and troubleshoot the issue specific to your HP printer model. You can reach out to HP support through their website, customer service hotline, or any other preferred contact method. That's a wrap for today's video on troubleshooting steps for resolving blank spaces on your HP printer. We hope this guide has been helpful in addressing the issue. Remember to check the ink levels, clean the printheads, adjust paper and print settings, update firmware and drivers, and reach out to HP support if needed. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Happy printing!